thank you for accepting another courtesy call from the 24-25 batch of junior mayors.
The violence in Jamaica, I see that is going down. But as the young people come up in life, in high school, they decide to flunk out of school because they can't manage. They feel like they're getting pressured. So I want to know how you handle that.
So, youth dropping out of school. Whilst I can't tell you what the dropout rate is, I just don't have that figure right now. What I do know is that we are now very close to universal enrollment at the secondary level. What that means is that Jamaica attained universal primary education more than 100 years ago, meaning every Jamaican child of primary school age had a seat in a classroom in a school. Now, every Jamaican child of secondary school age, that means up to 18, has a space in a school if they want to go. There is a program for them. So they have several programs. And they are easily accessible, which is what universal education means. You don't have to pay, or if you're asked to pay, it is not a deterrent for you to go. So Heart is free. And if you are, I believe, 16 years of age, 15, yeah, you can get enrolled in Heart and get into a program. The government has three or four special programs that runs alongside Heart. The LIFT program is one of them, where youngsters are brought in, and then we announced another program recently where we are trying to get those persons who don't necessarily have the base matriculation requirements. We're trying to get them in. And then there is a sixth form program that was announced by the Ministry of Education. So there are options. There's no reason for anyone to drop out of school.
On behalf of the youth mayors gathered here today, I extend our deepest gratitude for the opportunity to be a part of this remarkable experience. We're truly honored to stand in the presence of such dedicated leaders, and we feel the weight of the responsibility and opportunity entrusted to us as young ambassadors of our parishes. Prime Minister and Your Holness, your words today have not only inspired us, but have also reminded us of the power we have as the next generation to contribute to Jamaica's future. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to youth empowerment and for believing in the potential of young leaders. Your vision, which lights a path for all of us, fuels our drive to serve our communities with pride and purpose. Minister Desmond Mackenzie, thank you for your steadfast dedication to strengthening local governance and community development. You have shown us the importance of service, humility, and the relentless pursuit of growth for the people of Jamaica.